So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you do what to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. Also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So now let's take a look at this, right? Once again guys, click on that subscribe button if you are yet to subscribe. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you follow the Telegram channel. You will find the link in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel if you've not done that, and click on that bell notification. Now let's see on GBP. So let's start with our trend. We will take a look at the main trend, and we will also take a look at our current trend. Now, what is the main trend? You can clearly see that the main trend on Euro GBP is an uptrend. It is very clear that our main trend on Euro GBP is an uptrend move. But when you take a look at the current trend, what market is doing currently, market is trending to the downside. Now, this is the current trend movement. This is the low. First gave the low. Here is the lower high. Market eventually dropped and gave a lower low. Here is the lower high. Market eventually dropped again and gave us a new lower low. And currently, market has formed a lower high. So the next movement on our Euro GBP will be another drop that will form in lower low. So one more movement to the downside that will eventually take out this previous low is what we should be anticipating and expecting for on Euro GBP. Now, could market actually change its movement and start pushing up? Absolutely yes. Market can definitely and has a potential to change its movement and start pushing up. Yes, market has the potential to do that. But if in case it starts doing that, I will make sure I let you guys to know. I'll make sure I update you guys, and I will make sure I out you guys. So all you just have to do is click on that subscribe button. Make sure you like, share. Also follow the Telegram channel so you will stay updated on this platform, and click on that bell notification. So once I drop an update, instantly you get the update and you will not miss out on it. So if in case it will start pushing up, I'll let you guys know. But for now, markets will most likely to